Ubumnini, possessives. Ubumnini are possessives. They're used to express ownership. An example of a possessive in English would be something like my dog or your sister. In isiZulu, we need to have an of in the phrase. So we say the dog of mine instead of my dog. So basically the noun comes before the possessor, or the possession or thing that is owned comes before the owner in the phrase. So to illustrate, if you wanted to say my dog in isiZulu, the first step is to start with the thing that is owned, in this case the dog, and then say of, and then add the pronoun. So inja of me. The list of pronouns is on the next slide, and me means my. The pronouns are called izabizwana zobumnini, possessive pronouns. Me is my, I to our, ko, your, in the singular, inu, your, as in all of yours, ke, his or hers, and bo is theirs. So where do we find the of? Well, it's called the possessive prefix or link, and it's derived from the noun and its subject concord. You will have learned subject concords in one of the previous lessons. The easiest way is to just learn them off by heart in the table, but they're also quite easy to work out if you know your subject concords or links. Here is the table to make it easy for you. I'll explain how to derive these at the end of the presentation, but if you choose to rather just learn them off by heart, just ignore the last 3 slides. So back to saying my dog. Inja, ya from the table, added onto me, which is the pronoun. So inja yami, my dog. Let's try a few more. Your teacher. Step 1. Change it to say teacher of yours. Step 2. Translate. Utisha, something, ko. Step 3. Figure out what the of is. Utisha, subject concord is u. Go to the table. U takes wa. Step 4. Add it all together. Utisha wako. Let's look at another one. Our home. Step 1, home of ours. Step 2, translate. Ikaya, something, itu. Step 3, find the of. Ikaya, in the table, takes li. Li takes la in the possessive. Step 4, add it all together. Ikaya, la onto itu gives you letu. Remember, 2 vowels can't stand next to each other, so A and I make E. So if you want to work out the of instead of just learning it off by heart, it's quite simple. You take the subject concord and add a or a. So if the subject concord is 2 letters, you just drop the second letter and replace with a. So li, drop the I, becomes la. Zi, drop the I, becomes za. If the subject concord is just a vowel, you add a. But the sound of the 2 letters next to each other makes a new sound. You can hear it if you say the letters closely together. U plus a, ua, ua, wa. I plus a, ia, 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 makes a ya. There are 2 exceptions. Lu becomes lua, and bu takes ba. It's complicated, so I'm not going to explain it here. I hope this explanation has made it easier to understand Ubumnini. Now, let's see if you can apply what you've learned.